Hello, today I'll be making risotto Milanese, and all the ingredients are here. So we'll need a little bit of saffron or saffron, like I put it in the broth water, and for it to dilute a little bit. You need 2 cups of Arborio rice, and a little bit of olive oil. You need butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and very fine diced onion, white onion. Stay tuned. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna saute the onion. So saute it well. So now I'm adding the Arborio rice. You have to cook it well. You have to stir constantly. Now I'm adding the wine, white wine, and we'll just cook it till it evaporates. I'm going to add the saffron, which I diluted with veal broth that I made previously. Basically, this is the special ingredient for the risotto Milanese. So now we're going to be adding broth like that I made previously with veggies and veal bones. So we're going to be adding this little by little to the risotto and stirring constantly. So I'm going to add some salt to this because I didn't add to the broth, but if the broth has, you don't need to. So now I'm adding the butter because the risotto is almost ready. So now I'm adding the freshly grounded Parmigiano Reggiano. Turn the heat off. And the risotto is ready. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!